Hi Taurians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind this is a general reading and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's see what your month has. Alright, so by the end of the month, you will definitely achieve something what you don't see coming is a big offer towards you. Right now, you're in a hermit mode. Somewhere you're not very happy with your job or your current situation, and you really want to go, you want to move towards a new job or a destination, something which brings you peace. You're really thinking about it. You have been really thinking about it, and I think you will be in a position by the third week of May, and fourth week will definitely abundance. For those of you looking love, you will find it towards the third week. Let me clarify the hermit first. Yes, you want more money. You want your intuition is asking you to take the offer which will be coming towards you very quickly. You definitely are looking for better opportunities, better your growth, because you're really not somewhere your intuition tells you that you deserve more, and and you will definitely get offers regarding that. There'll be communication, there'll be big changes coming towards you. Let me clarify what you're walking towards and why you're walking away. So you're walking towards wish fulfillment. You're walking away from something which is not giving you that kind of peace or that kind of satisfaction, and you're walking away towards abundance and a wish fulfillment. You're walking towards what you have been wanting, and the thing that you've been wanting, whether it's a job, it's a person, will be shown to you, will be coming towards you this week. And so it is good for you to walk away from something which you are in currently, which is not serving you very good, because once you walk away, things start looking good. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. So yes, you feel that you've been really working hard, and that's why you are in this mode where you feel that you're not getting what you deserve in terms of money, in terms of respect, in terms of peace of mind. You're not getting that, and things will definitely start moving once you walk away. Like I said, Chariot is here. All the good cards are here, but provided you need to really take the offer that comes to you this month. Let me clarify this for you. The abundance. Yes, so again the abundance has come, so you'll have to walk away. Walking away won't be easy. Very clearly it says that walking away, you'll have to decide. You might have to make certain people unhappy. There'll be certain people who won't be happy by your decision, but I feel that this will serve you good, because abundance is waiting on the other side of the gate, which you have to open, and you have to close the other gate. So I think changes are in store this month for better, for much better, in terms of better money, better respect, better success, and what I think it is something which you really wished for will be given to you this month. Let us see what the major arcana cards have for you. Yes, so Emperor is coming twice. You obviously deserve more, and Tower moment will have to be here. You'll have to leave this current situation where you're in. You have to leave this current job or this person for, and you need. I know you need strength, because like I said, it won't be easy. It won't be easy. But definitely you deserve more, and you will get what you deserve. Definitely, there is no second thoughts about it. But you have to have the courage. You have to have the conviction in order to get your wish. Being filled, get your wish fulfillment. You'll have to move away from something. Let's see how you can do that. What steps can you take, and what should you not do? Yes, clearly, like I said, don't end up finding faults or raising fingers. rather than that, be truthful about what you expect and what you're not getting, and why you're taking this step. Be fearless about it. You are fearless, Taurian, so I don't need to tell you about that. But then these are your messages, and it says that you need to really move on, because things are good, at the end of the tunnel, which you're not seeing right now, and changes are incoming fast. A big offer is incoming, full of, you have Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, which means a lot of love, lot of abundance, lot of money. Changes in your monetary situation is coming. You'll need to be truthful and fearless, and don't find faults. Don't be away, clearly stay away from criticism, whether somebody else does to you or you do to somebody. Stay away from that. Try to make things, the exit as peaceful as possible, which won't be easy, but once you decide, once you move on, you will definitely get something which you deserve, which you have been waiting for quite some time right now. So these are the messages for you this month. If you like what I do, to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.